In Microsoft Outlook, understanding the difference between your display name and email address is fundamental. Your display name is what recipients actually see in their inbox, like John Smith, while your email address is the technical sending address, such as john.smith@company.com. The From field in emails combines both elements, showing recipients both your display name and email address together in a format like John Smith, john.smith@company.com. Now let's look at how display name changes work differently depending on your account type. There are three main categories of Outlook accounts, each with distinct behaviors. Personal accounts, including Outlook.com, Hotmail, and Live accounts, have global display name changes that affect your entire Microsoft account. However, for security reasons, you're limited to only 3 display name changes per year. Work or school accounts using Exchange or Microsoft 365 have more restrictions. Display name changes may require administrator approval and are often controlled by organizational policies to maintain professional standards. IMAP and POP3 accounts work differently. Display name changes are local to your Outlook client only and don't affect the actual email server settings. These are the easiest to modify, but changes are only visible to you. As of late 2024, Microsoft has significantly improved the display name experience. The process is now streamlined across desktop, web, and mobile versions with consistent interfaces. Sync capabilities have dramatically improved. Display name changes now propagate across all your devices within just 5 to 10 minutes, compared to up to 24 hours previously. Additionally, display name changes now automatically update across all Microsoft 365 services simultaneously, including Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive, providing a truly unified experience. There are 3 main ways to change your display name in Outlook: through the desktop application, the web interface, and mobile apps. Let's explore each method step by step. For desktop Outlook on Windows or Mac, the primary method is through Account Settings. Go to File, then Account Settings, and select Account Settings again. Alternatively, you can change your display name from a new email. Click the From dropdown, select your account, choose Other Email Address, and modify the display name there. For Outlook Web App, click the Settings gear icon, then View All Outlook Settings. Navigate to Mail, then Compose and Reply, and modify the From Name field in the Email Signature section. On mobile devices with iOS or Android apps from 2024 or later, go to Settings, select your account, then Account Details. Find Display Name, edit it, and save your changes. After making changes on any platform, always verify them by sending a test email to yourself or a colleague. If changes don't appear immediately, try signing out and back in, or clear your Outlook cache. Changes typically sync across all platforms within 5 to 10 minutes.